Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about MDCAT test 2025 Anatomy MCQs Quick Revision Part 2nd. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Muscles connecting the scapula to the humerus are all except option A deltoid, B supraspinatus, option C infraspinatus, and option D subclavius. So the correct option is D, subclavius. Explanation is the subclavius muscle connects the clavicle to the first rib. The deltoid, supraspinatus, and infraspinatus all originate on the scapula and insert on the humerus. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Muscles are always attached to at least dash points. Option A 2, B 3, C 4, and option D 5. So the correct option is A 2. Explanation is for a muscle to cause movement, it must cross a joint and be attached into two separate bones. The origin, the fixed or less movable point, and the insertion, the movable point. So this is very important MCQs. In the sublingual gland, saliva is produced through small ducts that open into small papillae. Option A beneath the tongue, B beneath the teeth, C inside the cheeks, and option D at the upper molar teeth. So the correct option is A, beneath the tongue. The sublingual gland lies under the tongue and have multiple small ducts that open into the floor of mouth beneath the tongue. More than %% of the body weight is muscle. Option A 49, B 50, C 51, and option D 52. So the correct option is B 50. The skeletal muscle alone typically accounts about 40% of the body weight in males and 32% in females. When including smooth and cardiac muscle, the total muscle mass often exceeds 50% of the total body weight. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Excess calcium is secreted in saliva during option A hyperparathyroidism, B nephritis, C diabetes, and option D tonsillitis. So the correct option is A, hyperparathyroidism. Explanation is hyperparathyroidism is a condition of excessive parathyroid hormone which increases blood and subsequently salivary calcium levels, often leading to increased calcareous stone formation. Shoulder and neck muscles are dash. Option A triangular, B spindle, C flat, and option D circular. So the correct option is A, triangular. Many prominent muscles in the shoulder and neck area such as trapezius, large triangular sheath, and the deltoid triangular appearance covering the shoulder exhibit a triangular structure. So muscle cell fibers are short, branched and uninucleated. Option A smooth, B cardiac, C skeletal, and option D smooth and cardiac. So the correct option is B, cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle cells are unique among the three muscle types. They are short, typically branched, Y-shaped, and usually have only one uninucleated or two nuclei per cell. So skeletal muscle cells are long, unbranched, and multinucleated, while smooth muscle cells are fusiform and uninucleated. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Dear students, this is last MCQs. Muscles connecting the upper limb to the thoracic wall are all except option A pectoralis major, B pectoralis minor, option C subclavius, and option D infraspinatus. So the correct option is D, infraspinatus. Thank you for watching my videos.